Market participants are getting really enthusiastic with Bitcoin, and indeed Bitcoin adjacent stocks, including Riot. Riot is down around 25% since the beginning of this year, but up 19.84% in this pre-market session of today, the 16th of July 2024. Among the many things that market participants are watching, it's the July 27 conference that Trump is expected to be present at, and probably will deliver some positives in that space concerning Bitcoin and their like. So as things stand right now in this 1 minute chart, not that this will be of much benefit to you when you watch this video. It seems some strength might or rather the stock might pick up a bit more, because just trading just right on the lower line of its price channel. So some strength might gain a little bit more. We've seen it trade to around 11.81, the highs of this pre-market session. But if you have a look at its 4-hour chart, you might see something totally different. Here we can see that it's the reverse is the case. It's obviously being a different model, a 4-hour model, a 4-hour chart. You can it's going to give you a different picture. It's going to show you something else. That is also part of the whole picture. So we can see that it's currently trading above its price channel. So there's the volatility bubble is still very much in effect. So expect it to come into this price channel, expect it to come into this channel. But at the same time, we're not really seeing any signs of a consolidation in the very short term. We're not seeing that. We're not seeing all the indications is that maybe my higher prices might print. We're not seeing the upper line of this price channel trying to close in, and we're not seeing it trying to close in. And if it were trying to close in, and these short-term and medium-term moving averages are also rising, then you should expect to see a consolidation, a contraction. But at some point it will happen. Just that it hasn't happened yet. So naturally that is what will happen. But as things stand right now, it's just maybe in a very short term, very very short term, indicating that maybe higher prices might print. If anything, we have on this 1 minute chart projections of around 11.85. Is that what we have? 11.85 is what we have. And if you come to its daily chart, you might even see even more ambitious projections. Obviously, since it has lost around 25% since the beginning of this year, then naturally you would expect that it will be trading at a discount to a lot of its maybe I don't think it's trading so at a discount to some of its moving averages. I think let me see. Okay, let's see. It's trading at a discount to some of them. Surely, yeah, I think probably maybe 200-day moving average or longer. Let me see what we have here. 200 moving average is the fifth moving average. Okay, slightly at a discount to that 200-day moving average as things stand right now. As things when the market closes today, you may have surpassed that moving average. So going by this indication that high prices might print, then we can have a look and see. We can try and see the sort of prices we should expect. If that turns out to be the case, 11.76 is 11.80 is one of them. I think that was also the case, and on that 5 on the 1 minute chart, 11.85. And then we have 12.63. We have 13.66, and all the way towards 16.7. These are sort of prices that can print, but it doesn't mean that they will print. So let's have a look at its weekly chart, and let's see whether we have anything ambitious here. Okay, the most upper projection here is 25.7, 25.89. Below that we have 19.21. Below that we have 16.53. We have 14.62. So let's have a look at its 4-hour chart here on trading view. You might see there might be some projections, or no, there are no projections. It's just a validation of what we have here. The prices are trading at a huge premium to all the projections, so on this 4-hour chart, yeah, it's on this 4-hour chart you should expect a contraction, like I mentioned earlier on. Expect it to pull back into the market, into this price channel. And so I think let's see now. So let's see, look at, we have this the upper line of this price channel is at 10.94. Let's see what it correlates to here. 10.94 exactly, we have it here, 10.95. So expect it to pull back slightly below into this region between 10.94 and 10.18, 10.16. Where do we have 10.16 here? 10.16 is around slightly below here. So in other words, this 10-period moving average on this 4-hour chart might be a primary supply line. Might just be, I think I'm just speculating. I have not really computed anything, but just going by what we can just visually see here. This 10.94 also corresponds with the upper line of its price channel, and then also this 10.16 also just slightly discounted from its 10-period moving average on this 4-hour chart. So yeah, those are the sort of things that you should be looking at. You can look at, so, but if it does pull back, expect also maybe a contraction, maybe maybe a contraction. And it's usually also said that if it doesn't contract, then another trend will not ensue. So expect it to contract and come in between between 10.92 and 10 point, I think it's changing a bit, 10.92 and 10.33, so, or even 10.16, yeah, 10.16 or 10.17. We expect it to come in there and then maybe consolidate for some time before another rally occurs. But short sellers will be looking at this, and they know this will happen, and they will take some position to take advantage. Background, so I just had to mute the microphone. So this is what's going on with Riot. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.